10 मिनट आपसे 15 मिनट हम लेंगे। उसके बाद ये हो गया मेन पावर। सेकंड जो है सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट, मतलब क्या, कैसे पहचानेंगे उसको? जब किसी को खुश देखकर आपका दिल खुश होता है, समझना जिंदा है। किसी को खुश देखकर बेचैनी होने लगती है, समझना। तो दिमाग में निगेटिविटी से बचना, पॉजिटिविटी काम करना। तो सक्सेस आपके अंदर है। ये 4 वेपन पर काम करना जरूरी है। जाने से पहले सबको आता है, जरा गुनगुनाएंगे मेरे साथ, सब लोग गुनगुनाएंगे।
After the recitation of Holy Quran Part, it will be answered. So I call Lady Ziva Kapoor from Brigade Mission High School for the walk.
अपनी जगह पे बैठ जाइए, अवार्ड ले लीजिए।
General Secretary of Majlis Ittihad-e-Muslimin and Mayor of Charminar, Australia. He is one of the dynamic leaders of Hyderabad who have dedicated his whole life to serve the people of Hyderabad, especially to uplift the innocent people of your city. Please welcome sir. Give it a round of applause. Now respectfully I would like to call Mr. M.S. Farooq, the President of COMI, General Secretary of COMI as well as President of Rotary Club of Charminar. Please have a seat. Now I would like to call Sayyid Nadeem Ahmed, Convener of Meritorious Award Function. Please have a seat. Now I would like to call Mr. Sajid Ali Sahab, Advisor of COMI. Please have a seat. Now I would like to call Mr. Mohammad Bastan, the Vice President of COMI. Please have a seat. And Mr. Sayyid Sultan Ahmed, PRO of COMI. Please have a seat. Yes, I would like to call Mr. Abdul Majid. Please come on the dais, sir. Please have a seat. The industrious and most determined personality of COMI to present the welcome speech.
I also request Mr. Kapoor Misra, the new I request all the awardees to come on the front row. Fill up in the front rows, last those who are sitting. Fill up the front rows. Awardees, they can come on the seat of the function. Janab Ahmad Pasha Qadri Sahab, MLA Charminar Constituency, General Secretary, All India Muslim Ittihad Muslimin. Honorable President of the today's occasion, Janab Mr. M.S. Farooq Sahab, President Komi, respected Rotarian Gopinath Reddy, District Governor 3150. Now we are welcoming our District Educational Officer, respected Mr. I. Nehru Babu, Deputy Educational Officer, Baturpura Mandal, respected Mr. Sayyid Ahmed Sahab, Motivation and the Parenting Expert, distinguished guests, dear parents, teachers, and my dear children. Good morning, everyone. Today, on this special occasion of the meritorious award function, I welcome all the dignitaries on the dais as well as off the dais. I am extremely honored to be rolled out the red carpet for you all on this prestigious moment. On behalf of whole unit of this convocation, I heartily welcome all of you on this award ceremony. It is gratifying to look around and see so many familiar faces, and I could see a unique and a talented mix of the students and the parents who made this happen. The glorious results of the SSC students for this academic year. It is a glad welcome we bring to you this morning, filled with the desire, hope, and the dreams of all of us share. Work with a deeper understanding of the problems of this community. Pasha Qadri Sahab guide the Muslim community on their issues. He has inherited with the scholarly tradition and tutored versatile and dynamic approach. Pasha Sahab is well known in media. His presence in our function is felt as a proud moment for all of us, which could be a grand success. Now I would like to welcome Rotarian Gopinath Reddy. He is the competent and the remarkable personality whose image, action, and the communication mean a lot for us. He emphasized on the importance of the education and playing a greater and the importance given to the literacy by the Rotary in general and by our DG in particular. I welcome you, sir. Now I welcome Mr. Sayyid Ahmed Sahab, a prominent and aspiring motivational speaker. In the Indian subcontinent, Mr. Saeed has a vast experience and success to his credit in counseling the students in making their career. He not only educates but also recharge the students to pursue their academics. I agree with this famous quote, think big, happy people. Rotary is the total literacy machine in India. The Rotary wishes to achieve the literacy goal through the TEACH program. It is the great noble cause for the Rotary India Literacy Mission TEACH program. Let us play our role in achieving the total literacy in India by 2017. This could be most progressive step to educate India. A man without education is like a building without foundation. There is a time when the people thought that it is not necessary to educate girls. Now we have begun to realize that the girls' education is essential.
Now I request M.S. Farooq, and the physician and the president of Komi, and the general of Rotary Club of China, to give the presidential address. All praise is due to Allah, the most beneficent and most merciful, who has made man the supreme creator. Durood salam on Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Respected today's chief guest, Janab Ahmad Pasha Qadri Sahab, MLA Charminar Constituency, and General Secretary, All India Majlis Ittihad Muslimin. Guest of honor, Rotarian Gopinath Reddy Sahab, Mr. I. Nehru, District Education Officer, Bahadurpura Mandal, Mr. Saeed Ahmed, motivational and parenting expert, leading members of Confederation of Minority Institutions, convener Mr. Shakir, and my friend who is sitting in the audience, Mr. Sayyid Yusuf, correspondent and director of As-Salam School of Excellence, Riyadh Nagar, parents, students, and ladies and gentlemen, and also the members of Rotary Club of Charminar. To seek knowledge is a sacred duty. It is obligatory on every Muslim, male and female. Iqra bismi rabbika allazi khalaq. Read in the name of your Lord who created all that exists. The first word revealed to our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam from Allah Ta'ala was Iqra, which means to read, to seek knowledge, educate yourself, be educated. As our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Talabul ilmu faridatun ala kulli Muslim. Acquiring knowledge is obligatory on every Muslim, the knowledge of truth and wisdom. The importance of education has been emphasized repeatedly in the Quran, which is the ultimate source of guidance for Muslims. Says, my Lord, increase me in knowledge. This verse indicates that whatever we know is limited and we need to keep asking Allah to increase our knowledge. Therefore, a Muslim should be constantly seeking more knowledge in. Knowledge can be broadly divided into two types. One is the knowledge of religion and second is the knowledge required by community. It is the duty of every parent that we should educate our children with the proper knowledge of both the types, such as the religious knowledge, which comes at first is Tawheed, believing in one God, offering Salah, the act of prayer, reading Holy Book, fasting, etc. And then the second type of knowledge is the knowledge required by the community, such as knowledge which makes a person doctor, an engineer, a lawyer, a scientist, an agriculturist, etc. This is too required to the betterment of community and to the betterment of society. But when we are acquiring second type of knowledge, we should make sure that knowledge should take you closer to Almighty Allah, but not to make far from. Here I would like to request the school leaders and the parents to make sure that right from the 9th and 10th classes, the students are involved in the community service, and it is the bounded duty of the teachers. हमारा हैदराबाद शहर सेकेंड जनरेशन लीडर से बहुत दूर होता जा रहा है. हमारे जितने भी यहाँ पर अल्लाह के प्रोग्राम से जो लीडर्स थे, आप नाम ले लीजिए, सालार मिलत सुल्तान फराउद्दीन अवैसी साहब हो, या मौलाना आफिल साहब हो, या गौस खामोशी साहब हो, या हमारे इकबाल रहमान साहब जो खलील रहमान के वालिद, या मेरे वालिद डॉक्टर एम ए अहमद, और कई ऐसे लीडर्स हैं जो एक छाप छोड़ रहे हैं अपनी कम्युनिटी के पर, और कम्युनिटी में एक ऐसा काम कर चुके हैं जो बिल्कुल मिल्लत के लिए बहुत बड़ा एक असासत है. तो हमको चाहिए कि आज के दौर में एक सेकेंड जनरेशन लाइन को तैयार करना बहुत जरूरी है. I congratulate all the school leaders and the children who got the top ranker and who are being honored today. And I advise them to finalize the future program now itself, what you would like to become in future, and plan out in such a way that you always have confidence in yourself, then success will be yours. I am thankful to all the school leaders who have been today's function, and all the members of Confederation of Minority Institutions and members of Rotary Club of Charminar. And
now coming to the main events of today's gathering, distribution of awards. हर पल पे तेरा ही नाम होगा, तेरे हर कदम पे दुनिया का सलाम होगा. मुश्किलों का सामना हिम्मत से करना, देखना एक दिन वक्त ही तेरा गुलाम होगा. Now I request Janaab Pasha Fazil Sahab, Member of Charminar Constitution,
to distribute the award of school top. First of all, I would like to call Humera Jahan, father of MFIU from the Riya Mission High School.
Recent high school, Mohammad Munir, son of Mohammad Mubin, son of Mohammad Moin.
Next award is
Which school?
Mohammad Mubin. School is Crescent High School. Crescent High School. Next award, sir.
Mohammad Sohail from Christian High School. Mehraj Begum, daughter of Mohammad Zakir from Imam Bakhsh Memorial High School. Aisha Banu, daughter of Mohammad Faisal Ali from Isra Mission High School, Jamuna.
Isra Mission High School.
Sayyid Usman Ali, son of Sayyid Ahmad Ali from Little Star High School.
School correspondent also be to be present. Okay. Awardee come from this side. This way over, sir. Just they come from this side.
Suleiman Abdul Majid, son of Abdul Majid from Meridian High School. School, Toli Choti. Wasiha Fatima, daughter of Muhammad Moin Ali from Munaf High School, Santosh Nagar.
Next correspondent come आइए sir.
Sumaya Fatima,
इधर
Sumaya Fatima, daughter of Sayyid Abdul Siddiq, Abu Bakr Siddiq from Munaf High School, Santosh Nagar. Sayyid Usman Ali, son of Sayyid Ahmad Ali from Little Star School. Sayyid Asra Shadi, daughter of Sayyid Abdul from New Holy Fatima High School.
न्यू होली फातिमा स्कूल आप है आपका नाम क्या है
Sayyid Asra Jadeen, Sayyida Asra Jadeen, daughter of Sayyid Abdul from New Holy Fatima High School, Tolipuri. क्विक बेटा क्विक जल्दी जल्दी आइए शाइस्ता फातिमा daughter of Muhammad Yusuf Khan from New Model High School, Kupwali. Yes, alphabet. Afra Begum, daughter of Muhammad Hafiz from New Model High School. Maimuna Fatima, daughter of Khalil Ahmad from Quail High School. Muhammad
आप यहीं ठहर के सामने बताओ.
Muhammad Ahmad Ali Khan, son of Ghulam Murtuza from Quail High School.
Maimuna Fatima.
Sayyid Yasir, son of Sayyid Muhammad Amir, son of Muhammad Abed from Salama High School, Chhattabazar, from Salama High School.
Ian Yasir from Relay.
Quick better, quick.
इधर देखो.
Farhana Begum, daughter of Muhammad Usman from Salama High School.
Salama.
Jabin Sultana, daughter of Asif
इधर
Khan
देखिए.
from Saint Suleiman High School.
Farhana Begum.
Muskan Begum from Government City High School, Kishanbagh. Muskan Begum. Once again I repeat, Muskan Begum. Sumera Begum from Government City High School, Kishanbagh.
इधर देखिए.
Sumera Begum. Sumaira Begum from Government City High School.
मुस्कान बेगम,
Seema Begum from Government High School Unda Bazar. Chandulal Baragari. Seema Begum from Government High School Unda Bazar.
सुमेरा बेगम,
Rubina Begum, Government from Government High School Unda Bazar. Chandulal Baragari. Sheikh Salman,
इधर देखो मुन्ना
son of Sheikh Chan from Government High School Gari Shifa.
सीमा बेगम,
Sheikh Salman, son of Sheikh Chan. Muhammad Rahmatullah, son of
अरे इधर
Muhammad
देखो।
Ahmad from Government High School Gari Shifa.
रुबीना बेगम from Government High School Ahmedabad.
Sayyid Umar Hussain from Galaxy Mission High School Vattapalli. Sayyid Umar Hussain from Galaxy Mission High School Vattapalli. Afsha Begum from Dr. Khaja Abdul Sharif from IBM School. Saida Begum from Dr. Muhammad Qutuz from IBM High School. Saida Begum, Dr. Muhammad Qutuz from just are you ready to mask papers? Mask paper एक papers ready हो जाइए.
आज के इस तकरीब के होने वाला जनाब सलीम रहमान साहब, जनाब फारूक साहब, जनाब गोपीनाथ गोपी साहब, जनाब मेरे बाबू साहब, सईद साहब, दीगर कई से बैठे हुए हजरात, खवातीन हजरात, तालीमी मैदान में जो खिदमत अंजाम देने जा रही है, वो न्याय की राय से सिंचाई है। आज एक नई तब्दीली हैदराबाद में और खुसूसन मुसलमानों में आई है। गरीब से गरीब घराने के लोग ये तय कर चुके कि हम जो मुसीबत उठाए हम अपनी औलाद को मुसीबत उठाने नहीं देंगे, और पूर्व पसीने की कमाई से अपने बच्चों को तालीम दिला रहे हैं, ईद के जेवर से आरास्ता कर रहे हैं। दुनिया में हर किस्म का सरका हो सकता है, चोरी हो सकती है, डकैती हो सकती है, लेकिन दो चीजें ऐसे हैं जिसकी चोरी नामुमकिन है, ना कभी वो चोरी हो सकती है, ना जिस पर कोई डाका डाल सकते हैं। वो दो चीजें हैं, एक इल्म है, एक हुनर है। इंसान के बाद जब कोई इल्म हासिल कर लेता है तो वो इल्म मरे दम तक उसके साथ रहता है, उससे उस इल्म को कोई उससे जुदा नहीं कर सकता, ना उसकी चोरी हो सकती है। तालीमी शौर में बेपनाह इजाफा हुआ है और हैदराबाद, आंध्र प्रदेश और तेलंगाना मुसलमानों में तालीमी शौर में दिन ब दिन इजाफा होता जा रहा है। यही वजह है कि आज एक पान का डब्बा चलाने वाला अपने पूर्व पसीने की कमाई से बच्ची को जेवर तालीम से आरास्ता करा तो अल्लाह असबाब ऐसे बनाते गया कि आज उसकी बच्ची MBBS में फर्स्ट नंबर पर कामयाब हुई, पहले नंबर पर कामयाब हुई। में पढ़ते हैं जहाँ किसी किस्म की कोई सहूलत नहीं होती, लेकिन बच्चे को पढ़ने का शौक है, वो पढ़ के अच्छे नंबर से कामयाब होता है तो बाद में उसको अच्छे कॉलेजेस में दाखिला मिलता है। गरीबों के पास असबाब नहीं, वसाइल नहीं, जराए नहीं, लेकिन शौक है, और वो शौक में अगर वो कायम रहे, कोशिश करते रहे, आगे बढ़ते जाए, मेहनत करे, मुसीबतों के बगैर कभी राहत नहीं मिलती। रात की तारीकी के बाद सुबह का सवेरा पहले तो कर्म का क्या ठिकाना। मेहनत करने वाले आगे बढ़ते हैं। मैं आज के इस फंक्शन के मुस्तदमीन को मुबारकबाद पेश करता हूँ कि तलबा तालिबात में हौसला अफजाई के लिए जैसे फंक्शन बेहद जरूरी है, उनमें और تعلیم میں محنت کرنے جستجو کرنے جدوجہد کرنے کے لیے ان کی حوصلہ افزائی ہوتی ہے. میں والدین سے بھی کہوں گا کہ وہ ایک اہم فریضے کی تکمیل میں اپنی اولاد پر توجہ دے, تعلیم کے اوپر توجہ دے. یہی اولاد آگے بڑھ کر کامیابی کی دعا سے ترقی کرتی ہے. اللہ اس کی ترقی کو لازوال ترقی بنا لیتا ہے, اس کی ترقی کو کبھی دوا نہیں آتا. لیکن شرط ہے کہ ماں باپ کی دعا لے, ان کی خدمت کرے. اللہ نے ماں باپ کی دعا میں بڑی طاقت رکھی. دنیا کے لوگوں دعا دیں گے, دعا تو بہرحال دعا ہوتی ہے, قبول ہوتی ہے, لیکن ماں باپ کی دعا جتنا جلد قبول ہوتی ہے وہ کسی فرد و بشر کی دعا جلد قبول نہیں ہوتی. ماں باپ کی دعا سے لوگوں نے ترقی کی, بلندیوں تک پہنچے. ماں کی دعا میں اللہ نے بڑی طاقت رکھی ہے. ان کی تعظیم کرو. 4 ڈگریاں آنے کے بعد ماں باپ کو نیچی نظر سے نعوذ باللہ مت دیکھو. تم کچھ بھی کر لو, ماں باپ کا حق ادا نہیں کر سکتے. کروڑ پتی بن جاؤ, ڈگریاں لے کر قابلیت کی بلندیوں کو پہنچاؤ, لیکن ماں کے سامنے تم حقیر ذرے سے بھی بدتر ہو. تم ماں کا احترام کرو, ان کی دعائیں لو, اللہ تم کو کامیابی دے گا. انقلابات کی فطرت تمہیں معلوم نہیں, علم کے سامنے تقدیریں بدل جاتی ہیں. شکریہ. خدا.
We are very proud because Janab Syed Ahmed Pasha Qadri Sahab is between us and encourages the students for the betterment of education. Now I request our chief guest, Janab Syed Ahmed Pasha Qadri Sahab, to facilitate the power behind today's function. Our convener, Sayyid Nadeemullah Ahmed, Director, Crescent High School, encouraged with great applause. The today's function has been convened and planned by Sayyid Nadeemullah Ahmed. Thank you very much, sir. May I request Nasreen Sultana ma'am, Lieutenant Gopinath Reddy, the District Governor, 3150. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. May I request Mr. Officer Babu Surajo. His services towards education has been very recalling and excellent. Thank you, sir.
President Gopinath Reddy Garu, District Governor, दुआ करना है. और ज़्यादा लोग पढ़ के इस देश के बारे में लोगों के आजू बाजू लोगों की रक्षा करके बहुत अच्छा काम करके अच्छा नाम लाना जरूरी है. अब अपना 2000 तक IPS बन के इधर आ रहा है. 2000 तक बहुत अच्छा पुलिस ऑफिसर है. रिटायर होने के बाद डिस्ट्रिक्ट गवर्नर लाइफ का. अब बहुत लोग आए, पेरेंट्स और स्टूडेंट्स, आपका पास देखिए पेरेंट्स का बहुत खुश हो रहा. मेरा बच्चा ये ग्रेड में आया, इसका पास आया, इसका ग्रेड आया बोलते. अब बहुत लोग इंजीनियर पढ़ने के जरूरी है और डॉक्टर बनना जरूरी है और लायक बनना है और थोड़ा लोग टीचर बनना भी ज़्यादा है. आप बहुत अच्छा पढ़िए, जो फ्यूचर में बहुत अच्छा डॉक्टर इंजीनियर बनने की कोशिश करें. थैंक यू वेरी मच. Thank you very much, sir. Now I request Lieutenant Gopinath Reddy Sahab, Governor, District Governor of 3150, to address the gathering.
National District 3150 and Rotary Club of Charminar. I congratulate every student who has really scored more and higher marks and recognized as the toppers and achieved this award. This will be your memorable and special day, and future to the country, and the more you educate, the more you are empowered, and the community is empowered and the country is empowered. I wish you all very best in the future education. My compliments to the Rotary Club Charminar and Confederation of Minorities institutions for awarding this meritorious award to all the students represent from 20 institutes, not only private schools, they also picked up students from the government schools. I really appreciate the organizers, and they have picked up the students, toppers from all these schools, and especially toppers from math, science and social studies. And these are the most important subjects for day-to-day life. Unless you have a learning in maths, you can really earn more in life. And unless you know the science, you can design your life better way. Unless you know more about the social studies, you can understand the society. That is why I think the organizers have chosen these 3 subjects. As everybody, मेरे साथ ही बताया है आपको, knowledge कहीं चोरी नहीं होता है. Yes, knowledge is always not going to take from you unless you share with them. And definitely today, what you learn tomorrow, you also share this knowledge to others and get more people empowered in this country. In conclusion, I want to say a key word and conclude, that is, please do hard work, help people, and be honest. Let us hope for a good life and be happiness. And also be a gift to the world. This is our theme of Rotary International. And Rotary International is really working on literacy programs, literacy mission. We have already achieved success in making polio-free country, and
to distribute the award for students who secured the highest marks in mathematics.
The school authorities are corresponding to be joined with the student. So ये स्कूल के साथ ज्वाइन करिए आप.
Sayyida Asra Jabeen, daughter of Sayyid Abdul from New Holy Fatima High School.
मैमुना बेगम.
Sheikh Salman,
मैमुना.
daughter of Sheikh Chand from Government High School Darushafa. Sheikh Salman, son of Sheikh Chand.
आयशा बानो. आयशा बानो.
Muhammad Rahmatullah, son of Muhammad Asmat from Government High School. Sayyid Umar Hussain from Galaxy Mission High School.
इधर आओ, इधर देखिए.
Starting mathematics topper.
मस्तान साहब जरा अंदर हटिए आप लोग.
Afsha Begum, daughter of Raja Abdullah Sharif from Imam Bakhsh High School. Imam Bakhsh High School. Afsha Begum, daughter of Raja Abdullah Sharif. Quick पे डाल जल्दी आइए. Samina Tarannum, daughter of Muhammad Jafar from New Holy Fatima High School. From New Holy Fatima High School. Sayyid Ghulam Hussain, son of Sayyid Munawwar Hussain from Reliance Grammar High School. Sayyid Abdul Irfan, Yes, I repeat 2 times. Sayyid Abdul Irfan, son of Sayyid Abdul. Wasika Firdaus. Muhammad Ehtasam, son of Muhammad Munir.
आवाड़ी छुपा दिए
Soha Salma, daughter of Muhammad Salim from Kingston School. Yasmin Sultana, daughter of Muhammad Salim Qureshi from Kingston High School.
इधर पलटो थोड़ा पलटो इधर
Khadija Begum, daughter of Muhammad Salim from Kingston High School. Aisha Siddiqa, daughter of Muhammad Sajid from Kingston High School. New Holy Fatima High School, Choripati. Sayyid Usman Ali, son of Muhammad Abdul Samad from St. Suleiman High School. Sayyid Nehmatullah, son of Sayyid Akbarullah from Yakra Mission High School. Saima Unnisa Mani, daughter of Ghulam Sahib. Yes. Marpani, daughter of Abdul Munaf Marpani. B. Nandini, daughter of Vinod Kumar. And Muhammad Abdullah. Are you ready for the science toppers? Rukhsar Tabassum, daughter of Muhammad Sharif from St. Suleiman High School. Yes, be ready, St. Suleiman High School. Rukhsar Tabassum. Adil Pasha, daughter of Chand Pasha from St. Suleiman High School. Samina Begum, daughter of Sheikh Kareem from St. Suleiman High School. Aisha from Galaxy Mission High School, Vattepalli. Rubina Begum, there's a request to Zeba Tahu to collect the award. Rubina Begum, daughter of Muhammad Ahmad from Radiant Mission High School.
विनायक जया है भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलधायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. कॉन्फेडरेशन ऑफ माइनॉरिटी इंस्टीट्यूशन की जानिब से ये दूसरा SSC मेरिटोरियस अवार्ड आज मुनक़द हुआ। इसकी सदारत आली जनाब MS फारूक साहब ने की और इसमें चीफ गेस्ट अहमद पाशा खादरी MLA चारमीनार कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी जनरल सेक्रेटरी AIMIM ने की। और बहुत ही शानदार फंक्शन रहा। इसमें मिम्बर्स स्कूल के साथ गवर्नमेंट स्कूल के 5 स्कूल्स के बच्चों को भी टॉपर्स को अवार्ड दिया गया। मिम्बर 17 स्कूल्स को हमारे पास के टॉपर्स को दिया गया, जिसमें स्कूल टॉपर, मैथ्स टॉपर, साइंस टॉपर और सोशल टॉपर। और फंक्शन में हम कैरियर गाइडेंस के ऊपर भी माशाल्लाह सईद अहमद पूना से जो तशरीफ़ लाए थे, बहुत ही अच्छा बच्चों का जैसे सेल्फ डेवलपमेंट के बारे में अपने के लिए कहा गया और बहुत ही एक हिम्मत अफजाई रही बच्चों की। और तमाम शुरका का, स्टूडेंट्स का, टीचर्स का और पेरेंट्स का इस फंक्शन को कामयाब बनाएं, शुक्रिया अदा करते हैं। शुक्रिया।